Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for a portrait or auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, portrait is over here. So when I click, it says auto rotate. That means that auto rotation is on. But you can always switch it off by clicking on auto rotate tile. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!